Hello and welcome to Jobs TV. My name's Matt Cook. I'm a director of a company called Kudos Recruits, and I have 2 vacancies based in the Stourbridge area. We are literally saying just off the ring road in Stourbridge. If you live in the local area and you have a forklift licence and you have a clean driving licence, one of the vacancies available is with a clean driving licence. Will involve doing local deliveries. Your hours will be doing 7:30 in the morning till 3 p.m. Monday to Friday. It will also involve a bit of forklift work in between, so you might be loading and unloading of vehicles. You might well be moving pallets to and from different parts of the shop floor. The second vacancy is again forklift counterbalance work. Again, it will be unloading and loading of vehicles, and it also means doing a bit of order picking and moving pallets to and from, again, different parts of the shop floor. Whether you've got a clean driving licence or you haven't, and you have a forklift licence, get in touch because there are 2 vacancies. Call 01746 768 666 or email me, Matt, on mcook@kudosrecruits.com. Get in touch.